Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today we're going to put in a threshold underneath the roll-up doors to help keep the water out. And maybe we'll cut down a tree. Or maybe we'll cut down the tree first and then do the threshold. You'll have to see. Let's get started. What we have here is going to go the threshold. Hi, Sasha. You want to say hi? Okay. See right where she's standing? That area right there where the line is? That's the threshold. And we're going to put a rubber piece down there to prevent water from coming in. Because every time it rains, it comes in at these little seams. Which, yes, I know, I'll clean out the seam and put, for lack of a better word, just put some caulk in it. I know I need to get that a special kind, but anywho, we're going to do that on both sides, and hopefully that'll cease all the water coming in, and my filing, or my cabinets here won't be soaked with water. The black one here is what lays flat, came with the adhesive. And then this is going to go around all the edges to keep the air in, or the heat in. And it goes around the top because there's that big gap on the top above the roll up there. I showed y'all before. Don't look at my ghetto insulation. All right, so there's my couple of updates. Let's get to work. All right, guys, we are back from our joyride. What we're going to do now is finish our threshold. I have to glue it in now. I let it sit out in the sun all day so it's nice and pliable. I've got my lines marked down here where it's supposed to go. Same thing under that door. We're doing this because I'm tired of the water coming in every time it rains. And we're also going to fill that crack right there so it doesn't seep in just like it does over there. All right, we painted. I'm stuck on yesterday. We got it set, the threshold set down. My lines I marked this morning, for some reason, don't line up now. So I had to move it forward a little bit, so it made it a little messy over here. But you know what? If you just don't look at it, you won't see it. But now we know how to do that one. We're going to come over here and do this one. That one's just laying there. All right, and let me blow off the excess dirt, and then we'll flip it over and goop it up. All right, y'all are looking crooked. There we go. Okay, we have... This was the end piece, and if you see this one's curled up, so we got a little bit of weight we can throw on it to help even it out once we get everything on it. Now, I guess we'll have to do it now. Just enough, okay. Caulk gun. Finally found it after all these months. This tube, if you do it the way they say, is exactly enough, exactly. I thought I had a GoPro camera somewhere. Have you seen it? Sasha! How about that? We're gonna go for a down-to-earth view. How about that? There we go. That ought to be interesting. Let's start. Not much to say while you're doing this. I'd say, what, 3/8 of an inch, maybe 1/4 inch? I don't know, a little bit larger than 1/4 inch. One straight down on both sides. About 1/2 inch in, allow for it to spread, and then a zigzag pattern in the middle. And I thought I might have some left over, but no, it was an exact amount, so I couldn't put these in the cracks. I will have to go and get some because I don't believe I have any.
all the way at the end. Well, they say it was 20 feet. I wish I'd known they add extra. I would have made the other one a little longer. This one had about 2 inches of extra material. Straight line. Damn, how hard is that, son? Cotton's feeling light. Makes me paranoid thinking I'm about to run out. I just realized my mouth was right up to the microphone. Hopefully I wasn't too damn loud. Come on. Hope we got enough. Haven't heard a pop yet. Normally you hear a pop of air when you're about to run out. We'll see what happens. Ooh, there was an empty spot there I didn't get. Glad I found it. There was that pop. I just heard it. So we're almost there. Hey, Sasha. No, 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 no. Whew, that was close. I can see it now. There have been damn permanent footprints all over the place. Now, to get this set, let's do this side first. Yeah, I got too close to the edge on this. It's gonna squish out, make a mess. It's like one side goes too far, one side goes too short. Shouldn't have done that. See, that made a mess. Damn it. Sorry for showing you my ass, but this is how I work. You hear all the popping? Getting the air out from underneath. And then you go back and do the sides. It'll squish out a little bit. I don't squish it too much. Just enough to get her there. And then we'll drop the door and line her up. Oh, and I guess for that we need to move you over on this side. Alright, let me go lock the door. All right, we're back to the caveman lighting in here. This looks right on the money. It's beautiful. What I'm gonna do is get some clear caulk. I'm gonna go around the edges up here where it usually leaks. I'm gonna put this right here on the edge and get it down there.
Woo! All right, get you out of the light here. Which one do I want to pose for? This one or this one? I don't know. Let's finish it off on there. All right, we've got our first problem. Doors unlocked, unlatched. This side's fine. This side won't come up. I apparently glued it to the concrete. Damn it. I guess I need to get a knife. All right. The problem's down here. Got a little bit of overflow. Where exactly? Right there. Ta-da! All right. What we have here is the strip that goes on the side. Those are the screws for putting it in. And that just simply, it's sticky. There's got the two-sided tape. You're simply gonna put it up there and then screw it in periodically. Came with no directions, so I'm just assuming that's what we're doing. All right. Oh, and going back to comparing the cameras, I prefer the audio on the cell phone as opposed to the GoPro or the lack of audio on the T-Move camera. I don't know, just sounds better to me. Less wind noise. Talking about how great the audio is on this phone, and I forgot to turn on the microphone. That was just straight off the phone, not my mics. So that's the other drawback, always having to remember to turn the damn things on. Okay, we're on top of the door right now to finish this part off. And if you look here, there's your gap. But we have a post in the middle. So we're gonna have to cut this one in two separate sections. One for here, one for there. And there'll be a little gap in the middle. I'll come up with something for that. Yeah, wasn't counting on this. I guess cutting it in two makes it easier, just take a little longer. All right, and then while we're up here, let's change the time on this clock. One, it's slow. And two, it's wrong. Well, if it's slow, it's wrong. But it's wrong. I haven't set it since daylight savings. All right, you guys saw that one door, and fast forward probably took what, a minute? Yeah, in reality, it was more like an hour and 15 minutes. So we'll see if we can do this one any faster, okay? You don't have to watch this one. All right, I was trying to hurry up before the rain got here. I succeeded. All right, got a little side parts in each door. That ought to keep some of the wind out. That will keep the rain out. Good to go. All right, we're getting ready to check the shop to see if it's waterproof now, because we just had a torrential downpour.
Let's go.
Open the door.
It looks dry.
Oh, wow. No, we had a little seepage right here. Walk over here. And that's because I didn't get to seal up that crack completely, but there's no puddle in here.
Wait, where's the liquid leakage?
Look right here. Seepage. See how that's wet?
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna back the camera up a little bit so you can see it. See how that's wet right there? It's because I didn't seal this crack on the other side completely. I ran out of caulk. So that's my fault, but it's not puddling in from the sides. I still have to caulk around there. But there's no stream, there's no puddle.
Like there was here before.
Right, so that is a success.
Let's go.
Yay! Well, this has been Maintenance Monday. Hope you enjoyed it. I didn't. The first door took me an hour and 15 minutes to do. You would have thought I learned something, because the second door took me an hour and 10 minutes to do. So I only was better by 5 minutes. That's piss poor. Maybe next time. Alrighty. Until then, this has been Whatever Garage. Out.